EarthCam right now has a live view of Wilmington, California. You can see it's still gray, still cloudy after the passage of Hillary, making things feel pretty sticky. But around the boroughs, you can see temperatures are quite nice, mostly in the high 60s, lower 70s, but those gray, cloudy days definitely throughout the area. Also throughout the area is some very significant humidity. You can see New York City had a dew point increase of 18 degrees in the last 24 hours. And what I'm talking about is this potential tropical cyclone 9 in the Gulf of Mexico. It has a 90% chance of development over the next 2 days and a 90% chance of development over the next week. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and the foreseeable future, things look nice and dry. Here's why. So Friday, a low pressure system's bringing in a cold front into our area that's going to be, causing that unsettled Friday. But then once that works its way out, we have a nice, warm, dry spree of days ahead. By the time it would upgrade to a Category 1 hurricane, should be out over water, so that is good news. Mid-80s for most of Suffolk County, absolutely lovely. 82 degrees in Islip, 81 in Mount Sinai, 83 in West Hampton. It is lovely. And it's also a good day to be by the beach, but not in the water, because the majority of our area is going to be expecting a ½ inch to an inch, but some isolated areas could be seeing 1 inch to 2 inches. And along with that kind of accumulation comes a possible flood threat. Now, today is going to be dry throughout most of the day, and then storms are going to be appearing tonight late and into tomorrow's commute time. We'll get into that in just a moment. But once we work our way through those storms, it's going to be a nicer midweek, Wednesday, Thursday especially. But what we need to talk about tonight, we do have a tornado risk throughout a good chunk of our area, possible throughout the northern parts, and then in some of our southern counties like Ocean County, a more likely tornado risk. But then everyone is included in the flood threat through Saturday morning. So we'll be timing all of this out for you, as well as talking about the rest of your weekend weather in just a few minutes.